Hi there, Vince here. Welcome to WPMedic. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any tutorial here. Alright, so going back, we have installed reCAPTCHA, but for some reasons your Google reCAPTCHA badge does not appear in the front end of your site. So even after successful install, you cannot see it. So this is usually caused by the layer elements of the website in the front end, and in the front end being the topmost, thus covering the badge. So it's like this is your front end, but this portion, this area, these elements here of the website is covering the badge, or that causes your badge to appear at the back. So if you try to remove this, you will see the badge here. But since it is being covered, so we will be doing a little CSS tweak on this to show the badge in the front end. So follow these steps. Number one, go to your themes CSS settings. Preferably, this is the place where you use to put your custom settings. Now, in this particular example, I'm using Divi, so I'm going to go to Divi. Alright, and I'm going to go to theme options. Okay, once you are in the theme options, at the bottom of the theme options, you can see here the custom CSS area. So we are just going to, we will be adding a very short code here so that the badge will appear. Okay, I'm going to paste it now so that you will see the badge. Okay, so I put some note here that it is for reCAPTCHA version 3 badge in front. So very simple. You just have to put reCAPTCHA badge, G reCAPTCHA badge, dash badge, then Z index. It's just saying that the badge has to appear 999 at the top first element. So and then you click save. Now again, for some websites, if you do not have this, if you are using another kind of let's say another theme and you don't have this, you may want to install a plugin called custom CSS. Now in this website, I also installed custom CSS, so which is a plugin. So let's check my installed plugins. Okay, as you can see, you have to install this one, simple custom CSS. Once installed, you just need to go to appearance and then go to custom CSS, and then you can also paste the custom CSS somewhere here. So in that example, you'll just have to paste it, the code here. Okay, but since we already pasted that in the theme, you just have to remove it, and then that's it. If you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, it's time to click that subscription button and click that bell.